Hey friends, it is Friday, October 6th, and you are not here. But the good news is you know where to go. So you're on Google Stream right now, and I just want to give you kind of an overview of what went on Friday, October 6th. So we're still working on the second part of how I can write it. And our success criteria for today is, can you find your comparison mat number 2? Can you find 0 pairs? Can you bring your expression to the top? Can you balance your expression left and right? And then the new one that we added yesterday was, instead of looking at a map with all the tiles laid out and then we balance, can you look at an expression and then let me change this here, can you simplify a written expression, right? So if you just looked at something like 3x minus 2 opposite negative 5 plus 3 parenthesis plus 1, right? Can you find out first what that looks like on the map, and then can you balance it and simplify it? So that's what we want to do today. So the first thing we do is we're going to do something called homework overview or review. So yesterday I gave you 2 homework problems, and then I'm just going to do a little short video. And this is included on the stream of what the solutions look like for those homeworks. And after that, we're going to introduce 2 new homework problems, tile patterns and perimeter. We're going to give the kids 15 minutes to work on these. And remember, the key is when we have time to work in math, we're going to do math and we're going to be as efficient as we can, and then we're going to keep everything in the class. Sound good? So I'll put those on the board, and remember, when I put problems on the board, you can work off of the board, or if you want something right in front of you, you can get the class book. Or if you want something more interactive with homework help, you can actually go to your ebook. So you get 3 options: off the board, off the book, or off the CPM ebook. Okay, then I'm going to say stop, put everything down, and then we're going to go into the lesson review. So yesterday we did the lesson review where I said you got to send me these screenshots, and then we're going to go through those and see what they look like and how I set those up, and then see if the kids had kind of a similar experience. After the review's over, I'm going to give the kids 2.1.7, and this is problems 64, 65, and 66. Okay, and those are in your ebook. And we want 1 screenshot for 64, we want 1 screenshot for 65, and we want 2 screenshots for 66. So if I can get my ebook open, I'll show you what those look like right here. Oh, gotta log back in. I think, what did we say it was? 2.1.7? 64, 65, 66. But always good practice, right? How to get into your ebook and how to get out of your ebook. 2.1.7, and what did we say? 64. Here we go. So we want to simplify this on a comparison mat. Okay, so simplify this one, and that's going to be 64. And then the next one is solve this one. This is 65. And then the next one is to solve this one, 66. There's 2. There's 66A, solve that one, and 66B, solve that one. Then when that is done, you do you. Like, that's your math for the day. And then if I need to check in with anyone, I'll check in with them at that time. Then when we come back on Monday, these 2 things, we're going to move those up into homework review, and then this problem will move up into lesson review. Does that sound good? All right, so on this Google Stream, you're going to see today's homework review, and you're going to see today's lesson review. And so that's the stuff that we did yesterday, and we're kind of just checking in with. How does that sound, friends? If I can sum what we just talked about, just summarize it a little bit, be efficient. If we have time to work math, work math. And then when you go home, you do you, and I won't bother you at home. Okay? Hope you have a great day, and I hope I see you on Monday, and I hope you are well. All right, friends. Bye-bye.